Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Apple gift card on Shein. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply go to your browser and then just simply search for Shein. Now after that just simply click on the first link and just simply go and choose whatever product you want to buy. Then just simply add them to your cart. After that go to your cart. Then all you have to do is just simply click on checkout now. After that, all you will do is just simply enter your location, name, last name, your phone number and all the remaining address details for the delivery. Then what you have to do is you have to enter your payment method right over here. So whichever payment method that you're going to use, just simply enter it right over here. And then to apply for the gift card, just simply enter your card number right over here. And then whatever amount is in your gift card will be deducted from the main total balance of the entire product. And if in your gift card there is enough funds to complete the payment process, just simply choose the payment process over here anyways and enter the gift card. And once you will be placing the order, no amount will be deducted from the main payment method that you chose over here. All of the funds will be deducted from the gift card balance. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.